a great opportunity to make history with our team, and it was just amazing to see all the people that came out to support us.
It was really great for the community to be able to see a Boone basketball team play in Wells Fargo Arena for the first time, and even though they couldn't pull out the W, I think all the students still had a lot of fun.
Well, it was fun to be out on the court and just seeing everyone come out and support the Doors.
It was a great experience, and I was glad I got the opportunity to go down to Des Moines with my teammates.
Well, our experience was phenomenal, and Wells Fargo was crazy, and we spent a couple of days down there just watching. So to be able to do that was an experience hopefully the kids will never forget.